Welcome back to Instables, and it looks like SESN has been picking up on volume as they ended the day with about 8 million volume, and on average they have about 6 million, as we do have FDA approval expected to come out on August 18th. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue and have that major breakout that we're looking for, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss out on them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go the 15-minute chart with you guys here on SESN. Again, we do have FDA news that is expected on August 18th, and we could have a continuation. And before we do get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned AHPI this morning on a major spike. We also mentioned AHPI yesterday on a major spike. We mentioned DYAI on their FDA news this morning with Sorrento Therapeutics. We also do mention multiple stocks throughout the day on many breakouts. Again, today was one of the slowest days that we've had, but again, we have many breakouts throughout the week usually, but today has been very slow. I'm not going to lie. The market has been very low on volume, and we're looking for some volume coming in as we have many mass dates that have been increasing throughout the world, and we're looking to see if we do get mass mandates coming into this week. If we do have a continuation on these mass mandates and vaccine mandates, then we could have a continuation sell-off in the market. We're going to see exactly how the market does react, but however, again, I did want to mention this because if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert of the day again. And as you guys can see here on SESN, you guys can see we did have this major spike, and we are holding currently with a 20-day moving average above the 50 at this point in time, looking to see if we can continue. And again, we do have that FDA news expected to come on August 18th. That's in about 7 days. So what exactly are we expecting, and what exact resistance are we trying to break above to have that major breakout? So you guys can see here on the 15-minute, we did have a major spike today, but again, overall, it looks like we have been selling off going into this news. Now, I want to back up to the 4 hours so you guys can see exactly what we're looking out for on this major breakout. As you guys can see, again, we have been continuously selling off leading into this news, as again, this is only possible news. We could have a major sell-off. Again, most of the time, these FDA news approvals do not get approved, but if they do, then they have major breakouts, which I'm going to show you guys exactly where I would set this alert, so that way, if it does break out, we won't miss out on this one. So again, we are testing that $4 mark going into today, but as you guys can see, we are consolidating, looking to see if we can continue. Now, we do have our previous highs here at $4.80, and I did want to mention this because $4.80 is very key for us to break above. But again, you guys can see previously in the stock, we actually had a major resistance even further than this. So you guys can see $6 is a major resistance that we did have previously. So in my opinion, I would be setting an alert here right above 480. If it does break over 480 with this buy pressure, you guys can see we do have buy pressure at that point at this point. So if we can break above this point here on the buy pressure, we will be setting an alert here right above this point. So that way, if it does break into this, again, we do have buy pressure that is slightly increasing today. We're going to look to see if we can continue going to tomorrow. As you guys can see, we are trying to break above this buy pressure point to have that momentum to break above that $4.80 mark. And in my opinion, to get that FDA approval, we are going to break above that $6 mark. So we're going to be setting alerts here for $4.80 or $5 if you want to, and then $6. And again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'd be doing. But again, these are price alerts. This is exactly how I would be alerting this one. You guys go over to the plus sign here, you click add alert, and then you just put it exactly where you guys would like to. So that way, if it does break into this alert, you guys can be alerted, and it will text you if you guys actually set up on TradingView the texting alert system. As you guys can see here also on SESN, again, we did want to set this buy pressure point alert right above our previous buy pressure point. And again, these alerts here at $4.80 and $6. But on the volume, I wanted to show you guys exactly where I would set this alert. As you guys can see, we had this major spike previously. And as you guys can see, overall, we have been decreasing in volume in this stock. And we're looking to see if we can have a major spike in volume. And in my opinion, if we do get FDA news approval, then we will break into our previous volume point. So you guys can see here on the volume, you go over to the left here with these 3 dots, and you guys can click add alert. And then you put that alert right above your previous volume point. So that way, if it does break above it, then you could be confirmed. Again, we did have a major rejection previously today with DYAI on this possible breakout. And again, we still could continue, which we did make a video on 2 videos ago. But again, if we can break into this volume point, then we could get more confirmation. And in my opinion, get that confirmation to break above that $6 point. Again, if we do get this FDA news approval, then we could break into about 100 to 200% profit. Again, this is not financial advice. This is only what I'm expecting. There's a major breakout that could be happening here with SESN. And again, I'm not holding SESN. I'm going to be waiting for this one to break out, set our alerts, so that way if it does break out, I'll just play right into the momentum and play a quick play on it. Again, SESN, FDA news, I don't like to hold into very much. I like to play these news plays as alerts, so that way if it does break out, then we will alert these, as we do alert many FDA approvals throughout the week multiple times. But however, SESN is one of the very few stocks that is giving us a date for their FDA news approval expected. So again, SESN definitely on the watch going to this week. And again, a week from now, they're expecting for FDA news approval to be expected. So again, set that alert. Make sure you're watching this stock. And again, this is not for financial advice. This is only for paper trading, of course. But again, with that said, if you guys want to see all our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. You guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel and everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.